Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add captions and use the text-to-speech feature in CapCut for PC. It's super simple and can make your videos a lot more engaging. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Text tab on the left-hand menu. Then click on Add Text and then Default Text. Now select the attribute on the track. On the top right side tab on Text, then Basic and write or paste the script you have. Step 2. Tab on Text-to-Speech on the top right corner. Now choose the voice you want.
Ostrich reproductive life cycle.
Step 3. Select Generated Speech and tab on Text on the left top corner and tab on Auto Captions. Here is the generated caption. Delete the previous text. Now adjust the caption properties. If you want to animate the text, tab on Animation on the top right corner and select Animation Style.
Ostrich reproductive life cycle. Ostrich reproductive life cycle.
Now, you can copy the existing caption for the other one. Write or copy script if you already have before and paste it. After selecting the caption, tab on Text-to-Speech, then choose the voice and tab on Generate Speech.
Scene 1. Courtship dance.
In the same way, copy the current caption, write your next script. Now tab on Text-to-Speech, choose Voice and tab on Generate Speech. Do like this for your entire video. Ostrich reproductive life cycle. Scene 1. Courtship dance. Scene 2. Egg laying. Scene 3. Nighttime nest guarding. Scene 4. Hatching chicks. Scene 5. Family walking together. If you get this video important, please like, subscribe, and hit notification icon.